Good morning everyone. So our lesson for today is all about characteristics of good appropriate IMs and technology tools. So what are the instructional materials and technology tools that we are ulit niyan? So good morning everyone. Our lesson for today is all about characteristics of good and appropriate IMs and technology tools. So what are the instructional materials and technology tools? So instructional materials and technology tools are the resources that help the teacher teach the lesson. So the instructional materials and technology tools that we are using as a teacher is helping us to deliver the lessons for the students. So why do we use instructional materials and technology tools as a teachers? So because they are the essential tools in learning every subject in the school curriculum. They allow the students to interact with words, symbols, and ideas in ways that develop their abilities in reading, listening, solving, viewing, thinking, speaking, writing, using media and technology tools. So, what is instructional materials? So, instructional materials are any collection of materials that organize and support instruction, such as textbooks, flashcards, charts, and etc. So, these are the characteristics of good and appropriate instructional materials. So, the first one is size. So, it must be big enough to be seen by everyone anywhere in the room. So, alam niyo naman na dapat appropriate yung size ng mga ginagamit natin, that it should be readable. The next one is color. So, most students are attracted to bright colors. So, di ba yung mga student is mas na-attract sila with the different colors ng mga ginagamit natin as our instructional material. So, it should be durability. It should stand for a longer time and in multiple classes. So, syempre dapat matibay yung ginagamit mong instructional material. So, baka naman kapag ginamit is masisira ka agad. The next one is relativity. Must be related to the topic or lesson. So, it should be relate sa mga topic or lesson na ini-implement natin. So, it should be aligned pa rin sa mga objectives na dapat natin i-attain. So, the last one is manipulative. Students should be able to explore or operate it. So, yun nga, dapat mas maging useful ito para sa mga students. So, the technology tools. So, what is technology tools? Lady Angel, please read.
Technology tools are electronic, digital, or physical resource that can support teachers in the delivery of content or lessons, such as computer, projector, and any forms of technology used in the educational process.
So, technology tools are electronic or digital resources na ginagamit natin like computers and any kind of technology tools. So, these are the characteristics of good and appropriate technology tools. The first one is accessibility. So, we as a teacher, technology tools is palagi na natin ginagamit or kasama na natin siya sa bawat araw na pag-share natin ng ideas or lessons sa mga student. So, it should be accessible. So, the next one is ease of access. So, mga bata pa lang yung tuturuan natin. So, we as a teacher, dapat pinoprovide natin yung pagiging easy lang ng mga paggamit ng mga technology tools. And the next one is short learning curve, which is dapat maging simple, quickly, and mas madaling gamitin or mas matutunan ng mga bata yung mga technology tools na ginagamit mo. And the next one is promotes audience participation or interactivity. So dito, dapat ma-promote mo yung paggamit ng technology tools na maging interactive yung class mo or dapat mas maging lively or active yung mga student mo para makipag-participate sila dun sa lesson. And the last one is assessment, which is extremely important when it comes to choosing an educational tool. This can also call the attention to any concept that students are not understanding